Hey listeners, welcome back to English Learn Like Pro, the podcast where true stories light a fire under your dreams. I'm Sam.
And I'm Anna. Today's episode is about rain. Not the romantic walk in the park kind, but the kind that changes lives.
What if the worst day of your life was secretly the best thing that ever happened to you? What if losing everything was the beginning of everything? This isn't a fantasy.
It's the story of a girl who dropped out of school, sold umbrellas on the street, and became a millionaire before she turned 25. But not before life tried to drown her. And if you think this can't happen to you, watch till the end.
Rhea was 17 when life punched her in the face. Her father, the only earner in the family, had a heart attack on a Thursday. By Friday, he was gone. By Monday, they had no electricity.
And let's not sugarcoat it. Poverty is cruel. It doesn't wait for you to grieve. It knocks once, kicks the door down, and takes everything.
Rhea dropped out of school, not out of choice, out of survival. Her mother tried to stitch clothes. Her little brother Leo still needed books and food.
And Rhea, she walked the city every day looking for work, handed out 50 resumes, got 0 calls, even begged a supermarket manager for a cashier job. He said, "You're too young. Come back when you're 18.
Ah, yes. The sweet irony. Too young to work, old enough to starve. But one rainy afternoon, something happened that changed Rhea's life.
She was waiting at a bus stop, drenched, holding a broken umbrella, when she noticed something strange. Nobody around her had an umbrella. They were all soaking wet, miserable, frustrated. Why does no one carry umbrellas in this city? She muttered. And that's when it hit her.
That night, Rhea Googled where to buy cheap umbrellas in bulk. Next day, she borrowed 1,000 rupees from a neighbor and bought 20 plastic umbrellas from a wholesaler. No license, no experience, just hunger.
She picked a busy traffic light near a metro station, stood there in the rain, and started shouting, "Umbrella! Just 50 rupees! Stay dry! Stay smart!" People laughed. Some ignored her. But one man stopped, bought one.
Then another. Then 3. By the end of the day, she had sold all 20 umbrellas. Profit 400 rupees, and it felt like $1 million.
But the next morning, she got stopped by the local authorities. "Do you have a street vendor license?" "Nope." They confiscated her box of umbrellas. She went home empty-handed.
Her mother looked at her and said, "Rhea, maybe this is not meant for you." And for a second, she believed it. But then she looked at Leo. He was drawing pictures on the wall using coal. No crayons, no toys. And Rhea realized, this isn't about umbrellas. This is about freedom.
She didn't give up. Next day, she went to the municipal office, waited 4 hours, applied for a vendor license, used the last 500 rupees she had to pay the fee.
Then she went back. Rain or no rain, Rhea was on that street corner every morning by 7 a.m. She started using signs. Rain coming, be ready. Buy one, get smiles free.
She added colours, compact umbrellas, even umbrellas for couples. She started noting what times people bought the most, what styles sold better. She wasn't just selling umbrellas anymore, she was studying her business.
By month 3, she knew more about weather patterns than the local weatherman. She'd look at the clouds and say, 60% chance of sales today. But then, something massive happened.
a YouTuber, local but popular, filmed a short video about her hustle. Titled it, "This Girl Sold Umbrellas to Feed Her Family." The video blew up. Next morning, there were 40 people waiting to buy from her.
By month 6, she had 3 locations. By year 1, she started an online store. Rhea customized umbrellas, personalized prints, stylish, eco-friendly models.
Now, she was featured in newspapers, podcasts, and last year, she crossed her first crore, all from a single broken umbrella.
So here's the question. What's in your hands right now that you're ignoring? Rhea didn't have investors. She didn't wait for permission. She didn't wait to feel ready. She started with what she had. A problem, a street corner, and an idea.
Conclusion: you already have what you need. And when life knocked her down, she didn't get bitter. She got better. So, what's stopping you? Fear? Doubt? Waiting for perfect timing?
Here's the truth. Nothing is free. But the first step is always yours to take. And if Rhea could do it, so can you.
If this story moved you, don't scroll past. Because chances are, someone you know needs this today. Share it. Start something. And remember, the umbrella that shields you from the storm might be the business that changes your life.